Hey everybody, it's Kevin, and today we're going to take a closer look at the new features in Premiere Pro CC 2018 12.0.1. So the first one I want to show you is in the Media Cache preferences. We'll go to Preferences, Media Cache, and you can see, although it's not a new feature, it is a new dialog box when you choose some of the automatic Media Cache deletion functions. Next is variable frame rate support for editing and playback. A quick way to determine whether you have a variable frame rate clip or not is to simply look in the frame rate column of your project panel. You can verify this by inspecting the clip's properties. To do this, select the clip and choose the Get Properties for selection function from the File menu, and in the Properties dialog box you can see for sure if a clip has been detected to have a variable frame rate or not. Next up is the ability to toggle multicam in the source monitor for active camera to fill the screen. So what does that mean? In the wrench menu you can see that composite video is now a choice. In the program monitor, we'll switch to multi-camera, and you can see that if I switch to various cameras in the source monitor, I can switch to different camera angles just by using the keyboard shortcuts. And in the source monitor, we have a way to just play back here at full screen. Next up is support for more video footage formats. In particular, the ARRI Alexa mini camera in MXF ARRI RAW format. HEVC codec footage is now supported, wrapped in a .mov container, which will be very useful for people shooting with iPhones or DJI Phantom drones. Next up is the option to keep clips vertically aligned as you move them across tracks. So with this sequence you can see I have several clips here. Let's say I want to take just the video portion of a clip and move it up a track. A way you can do that is begin dragging, and if you drag left or right by mistake, by holding the Shift key down, it will snap it back into place. So you can be sure that you're dragging your clip upward or downward in perfect vertical alignment. Next up is the feature that allows you to solo an audio track that is playing in the source monitor. Just press one of the S buttons down in the audio meters, and you'll be able to solo either track for previewing audio in various clips. Next up is the ability to make an existing project into a shared project alias. So that means you can go to the import menu, you can select multiple projects, import them, and you'll be presented with the opportunity to import them as shared projects. And you can do the same for all projects all at the same time. All you have to do now is click OK. Another feature is the ability to preview 360 clips on an HMD on Mac. I don't have an HMD to show you, unfortunately. One cool feature is the ability to lay in an in point as soon as you set a match frame. For that, I'll go to the preferences for timeline, and down here at the bottom you can see that I've already set that option. So when I go here to do a match frame, I'll just press F. You can see that I've match framed and marked an in point at that point in time. In addition to bug fixes, there are subsequence improvements. There is now a new Make Subsequence from In to Out option in the keyboard shortcuts. This creates a subsequence and ignores track targeting. Instead, all tracks in the sequence are grabbed for the new subsequence. The subsequence also loads into the source monitor. There are a few bonus features that were left out of the official documentation that you should know about related to the Essential Graphics panel. First of all, align and distribution tools have been added, as well as both styles for those of you that missed those items from the legacy titler, which is still available. Some of these commands are located in the graphics menu as well. So those are the new features. Thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, we love making these videos and we can't wait to make even more. So if you like the video, give it the thumbs up, or even better, subscribe.